Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to share with you why I've been loving this natural soap. I was looking for a soap that not only smelled good, but that it had very clean ingredients, and I found the right one here with Auromere. I love this size. This is just great for you to shower. My husband loves using this. This is the lavender scent, and I like using it to wash my hands. I really appreciate this company because they use very clean ingredients, and I like that the key ingredients are neem, which this is a premier Ayurvedic herbal ingredient for all things skin related. I love the fact that it has lavender oil, which is full of antioxidants, and one of the base of this soap is coconut oil, which makes it super creamy, and of course sesame oil, which is great for the skin since it contains vitamin E. So if you're looking for something that smells and feels delicious, then definitely go for this one. This soap is great for all skin types. I promise you're gonna love the smell, but that's just my point of view.